Until now, bad internet. Hmm? I kiss you all. Poor internet, yo. Hello. Okay. Do I look beautiful? Good mama. Bad internet. I can't go to Lisa's house because it always rain here at night time. And my mom is sick. I can't leave her alone. And I travel very far. Hi guys. Bad internet. Sir, are you still there? How about the others? Thank you for the like done. Thank you so much. Still bad internet? Is it still bad? Sabi daw. Sabi. Oh yeah. Until now, look nice. Hello, Philip Rose. You're from? Shout out to Philip Rose. Welcome to my live tonight. I am Naomi from Philippines. What's look nice? My red dress and my red lips. Never care. Oh my god, I have to order a new ring light because my ring light was, you know. So thank you, Philip Rose. You're from? You're watching from? I make a shout out to you. You're from USA, just like Sir R and Sir George. Oh no, my son. Yes, dirty feet. Oh my god, my ring light. Go down, in and out. What shall I do with this pet like that? I'm from Florida. Oh, shout out. I am Naomi from Philippines. I'm a single mother of one child. Hello, Qwerty Qwerty. Hi. Thank you for coming on live. Shout out from Florida. Philip Rose. I hope you love Philippines. Hello, Clibarda Selvera. Hi. Hello, Angel. Hello. Welcome again to my live. Long time no hear from you. And also, how about you guys? How are you? Thank you for coming back. You know, guys, I'm so very, very sad because as you watch my video, look, I only got 200 views. So please, guys, watch and don't skip my ads. That's the way you can support me as a single mom here in Philippines. This is my son. I cleaned her feet. I'm so busy just going around. Busy single mom, always finding rapid job. So sometimes I can't go live because when I go home I'm so tired, so I sleep. That's why if I can't go live, I'm so very tired all that time. So hello, Clipper said hi. Hi, thank you for coming on live. You know the changes of my room, Angel?